night was the first of our epic two-night Masked Singer Season 6 premiere.
That's Masked Singer Season 6, baby.
That was amazing! It's a double elimination right off the bat?
The first person eliminated was the Octopus, who was revealed to be the one and only Dwight Howard. The second person eliminated was Mother Nature. Now we continue with our unmasking from last night. Have you figured out who it is yet? We find out in 3, 2, 1.
Who is it?
Help her, Men in Black. Take it off.
Oh my gosh. Who can it be?
Superstar actress, producer, and director, Thicke.
Oh my God, I had it written down on my sheet. Hey, darling.
Yeah, I knew I had.
How did you know?
I just know you. So how much fun did you have as Mother Nature?
Oh my gosh, this has been exhilarating. I challenged myself. You know, I've done so many things in my career, and I've never done anything like this before. I mean,
You had fun.
decorate- And I had fun.
You was
I had
bobbing
fun.
people, whack-a-mole.
Yeah. I want to say to the panel, like I said, you guys are all amazing. Keep making dreams come true and having a great time doing it, okay? I love you all. I love you all.
Love you,
Much love
Thicke.
back at you. Mwah.
Such a class act. Ladies and gentlemen, one more time. From Vivica A. Fox.
Yeah.
It's back to school night on the Masked Singer, and class starts now.
Dear America,
We accept the fact that you're trying to guess who we are. But you see us as you want to see us.
on the outside, you might see an athlete,
A princess,
So glamorous.
a brain,
Oh,
Smarty pants.
and a basket case.
the Take It Off buzzer. Please be extremely cautious.
Oh my God, it looks dangerous.
but there are 2 wild cards joining the competition tonight. And we don't know what they're gonna bring.
We're making TV history.
The show is officially disturbing.
But one thing we do know is
Who can hit a note like that?
We are not getting unmasked without a fight.
We are in the presence of greatness right here.
that tonight's unmasking is sure to get the whole school talking.
The biggest upset in Masked Singer history.
Sincerely yours, the stars of Group A.